What is this weird escape room?
The escape room looks so fun. It's genetic mutation themed. We have to guess the genetic mutation in order to escape. It's run by this really cool high school biology teacher.
Hey y'all, welcome to my escape room. Teaching didn't work out for me, so I decided to trap people in a room to test their biology skills. Have fun.
Look, there's a letter. The gene mutation causes behaviors in humans who have been acting weird with on and off sleep patterns. They are suffering from a gene mutation that's a neurological disorder that affects the brain's ability to regulate sleep. This can be seen through dogs, humans, and many other domesticated animals. Organisms with this mutation might have excessive daytime sleepiness, brain fog, cataplexy, sleep paralysis, or disrupted sleep at night.
If you can find out why they're acting this way, I'll let you free. But if you can't, you're trapped forever.
Look at those blocks over there. Each of the larger blocks have a letter and an opening on top. We should match the smaller blocks with the letters to see if they fit.
Okay, let's see if A can fit into T. It fits. Look, the box opened to reveal purple card. Can T fit into A? It doesn't work. That's because this is mRNA. There are no T's in transcription. In RNA, U is complementary to A instead of T. Figure out the rest, and with every 3 boxes they put in, the cards open to reveal different colors. Look, once we finished, now we have the keys. What do we do with them?
Let's work on the rest.
Look, it's finished. The order is AUG, CAC, GGU, and UGA. Each of the 3 letters are grouped by the same color. A, U, and G all have the purple cards.
Look, there's this random sheet that purple matches with methionine.
The next sequence is of CAC and is blue and matches up with histidine.
This reminds me a lot of transcription. The larger boxes like A, C, T represent the DNA, while smaller boxes fitting into them represent mRNA being transcribed. Each group of 3 represents a codon.
What's transcription again?
Transcription is the process in which DNA replicates and is converted into mRNA. The process occurs when the enzyme helicase unzips the DNA and helix, and RNA polymerase synthesizes a new strand of RNA in the 5-3 direction, complementary to the template strand of DNA.
Then each of the codons matches up to an amino acid, like in translation. Translation is the process where mRNA turns into protein. Each gene, which is a section of DNA, codes for a specific protein, and mRNA and tRNA need to turn DNA into proteins. Codons on the mRNA match up with anticodons on the tRNA, which carries the amino acids. Amino acids are then bonded together with peptide bonds.
Okay, let's match them up with their amino acids.
Look, a clue! What we just found is a normal polypeptide chain. The point mutation in our mystery gene is deletion. Deletion is when 1 or more nucleotides are removed from a DNA sequence.
So do they just not have that protein?
This deletion causes a missense mutation, meaning the order of amino acids is incorrect. The protein is still made, but it either has a different function or does not work.
And another clue. Our mutation is caused by a deletion in the HLA-DQB1 gene in humans and the HCRTR2 gene in dogs. This mutation causes a lack of hypocretin, also known as orexin, which is why the brain is unable to regulate sleep cycles. The protein family that affects our mutation is the histocompatibility leukocyte antigens, or the HLA protein family. People with this mutation have a dysfunction in the orexin protein system where they produce the TRP2 protein, which leads to a lack of hypocretin and the inability to regulate sleep cycles. In humans, the HLA-DQB1 602 variation of the HLA-DQB1 gene is most commonly associated with our mutation.
That person looks really tired, even though it's 11 a.m. Maybe they have our mutation. We should look at their DNA. They have a deletion. It skips base G and goes straight to C. This looks like the HLA-DQB1 602 variation.
Now, with all of this information, we have to figure out what this person has.
Your time is almost up. You had better figure it out quickly. You'll never escape my mutation escape room.
We have all of our clues. We just need to figure out what this person has.
Let's think about everything we found. A mutation is a neurological disorder that causes the inability to regulate sleep cycles. The protein it affects is orexin, which also works to regulate sleep cycles. Our mutation is caused by deletion in the HLA-DBQ1 gene for humans and the HCRTR2 gene for dogs.
So it's definitely a sleep disorder. What disorders affect sleep cycle regulation?
It could be narcolepsy. That's a disorder that affects sleep. People with narcolepsy often have daytime sleepiness, and the disorder causes people to be unable to regulate their sleep cycles. Yay, you got it right. You escaped, and narcolepsy is the correct genetic mutation.